Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how to install Clash Royale on iPhone. Write if my solution helped you and if you managed to do it on your phone. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments, and I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Here I go. For us to download and install the Clash Royale app on our iPhone or iPad, we need to go to the standard application called Apple Store. After that, I click on the search bar. And at the top, we must write Clash Royale. Then we find this application. Click it. Or on this button like me. After that will go installation. Perhaps you will need to keep a password from your Apple ID. You can either fingerprint or Face ID or write a password. After you have downloaded, this application will soon install. It all depends on your internet speed. Literally, after 5 minutes you click on this app, the home screen will flip the phone or not flip it, and you can safely continue to play. Write if it helped you and if you managed to do it on your phone. If you still have any questions, be sure to let me know in the comments. I will answer. If you liked this video and you managed to install Clash Royale by my method, please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Goodbye.